Hi, in this tutorial I'll be telling you about web chat application, how to code for web chat application in Java, and how to attach database to your application. We will be using NetBeans as our IDE and MySQL for database. So let's get started. First I'll turn on my WAM server where my MySQL database is located. It has turned green, so that means it's working fine. Now I'll open NetBeans IDE. So in NetBeans IDE, we will be creating a web chat application. Click on new project. Under Java web, select web application. Next, give a name to your application. Next, and finish. So this creates a web application called Namaste. Now in this web application, I will be using one Java server page, that is JSP, and two servlets. So I'll create JSP as index. I'm using JSP because I'll be using a post function, so that cannot be done using HTML, hence I'm using JSP. So I'll remove this HTML that was provided by the system. In source package, I'll create a new Java package and give its name same as that of your application. Alright. Now create two servlets. I will give name as user login. Finish. Next one as chat window. Next, finish. So for index.jsp, user login.java and chat window.java, I already have the code over here. I'll just paste it over there. Make sure that your class name as well as your file name are same. Chat window. And now index. Now we will do the database part. Go to Windows, click on Services. Over here I have databases. Now if you have just installed NetBeans, probably your MySQL server is not configured. So select databases, right click over here and click on register MySQL server. Once you are done with it, set in the properties, click properties, and in admin properties tab, set these four attributes as I have done. Okay. Now here I'll create a database as hello underscore chat. So it says hello underscore chat already exists, that means it's in the database. And it's over here. So you can just click and create your own database. I'll just connect it. In hello underscore chat, once you just explore it, I'll have tables. You can right click and create your own table, like say hello underscore message, and add columns like username, type varchar, size 2000. Okay, add columns like message, varchar, size 2000. Okay, once you click OK, your message will be created. Now I already have this table into on my database over here. Okay, so this connects my database also. Now one more thing which you need to check is libraries. Over here you can see we have JDK as well as Glassfish server. To use MySQL database, you need to add a jar file called MySQL connector. MySQL connector, open. So this has added MySQL connector to my project. If you don't have MySQL connector, you can download it from dev.mysql.com. Now we will execute this code. Oh, okay. Before executing, I will explain you the code. So this is index.jsp, where this will be the page that will appear on the browser once we execute it. Username, this input is a text input, okay, wherein the user will enter his name. This input type is submit, and it goes to user login as post method. In user login and process request, we extract the username and then display the chat room. So this is just basic HTML code, nothing else. And this is the text area where all the messages will appear. These 2 lines of code will connect this code with MySQL. So select star from hello underscore chat dot hello underscore message. This will retrieve all the messages, and this while loop will print all the messages that has been extracted in result set. Now you can see over here that this form has got action as chat window. So whatever requests come over here, this will go to chat window.java. You can create a JSP page for this HTML code also. Either way as you want it, according to your comfort. In chat window.java, first this will appear, you can see the same thing, the chat room code, and here is the message field. You can give this input in this text field, and then there is this submit button. Once you press the submit button, now it will check whether the text message is null or not. If it is not null, then we will insert the message into the database. Remember, commit is required whenever we are doing execute update. And this try catch will just display the messages from the database. That's it. Now we will execute our code. So the Glassfish server is running. It might take some time. So here it opens in our browser. I will type username as minion and here as hello, send. So see, the message has appeared over here. Now I will execute the same thing in Internet Explorer. I'll type over here Bazinga. So you can see the minion message is already over here. I'll type hola, send. You can see hola. When I press refresh chat room, so it will show Bazinga message. So this way you can open multiple browsers and communicate between the browsers by sending messages to each other. I hope you got the whole idea about web chat application as well as how to code for it and how you can connect it with your database. If you have any issues, then you can ping me or leave a comment below. Subscribe to my channel for further updates on other different kind of applications which you can use in Java. Thank you.